Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove 3S and I'm gonna show you how to check the amount of steps taken on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by double tapping on the bottom of the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the list of widgets, and one of them should be the step widget. And as you can see here, we have the progression from the current day and the goal. You can also tap on this widget to check the previous day. Okay, and if your watch is paired with a phone, we can check this information in more detail. So I'm gonna move this to the side, bring the phone, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we need to open the Garmin Connect application. And in that app, we need to tap on Connect, or rather open the app, so tap on the Connect icon. And once you open the application, you should see the home page, and on it you can scroll down and look for the glances. And as you can see, we have some glances, but I don't see these steps here. You can also tap on See All, and there's no steps. So what we can do is to tap on More, Activities, and then look for Steps. No, I tapped on Health Stats instead of Activities, my bad. Activities and then Steps. Okay, and here we have the step statistics, and we have daily ones, weekly, monthly, and yearly statistics. And once you're done checking your statistics, you can close the application. And that's how you check the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.